to Learnglish. Do you always confuse will and would? You're not alone. In 2 minutes, I'll show you the difference with simple examples. Here's a quick challenge for you. Can you spot the mistake between these sentences? If you are not sure, keep watching. In these situations, we use will, the future. I will call you tomorrow. Predictions. It will rain tomorrow. Instant decisions. I'll help you. Promises. I'll always be there for you. And offers. I'll carry your bag. In these situations, we use would. Imaginary situations. If I had money, I would travel. Polite requests. Would you help me? Polite offers and invitations. Would you like to join us? Now let's try. 1. If I were taller, I'd play basketball. This is an imaginary situation, so would is correct. 2. I think it'll snow tomorrow. I'm making a prediction. So we say will. 3. You help me with this bag. I'm making a polite request, so would is correct.